So this uneducated clown decides to run up on me, I guess to get me to go quicker. I'm already doing about 6 over, and the car in front of me is stopping and whatnot. So not going to go any faster, especially with the storm that's also getting ready to come up. But he does this to several vehicles, as you'll see in the video coming up. But ride in the lane, tailgating, just extremely reckless, but gets a lot better, and I'll speed it up here. Also, I understand there's a lot of you that never passed 5th grade and don't understand how dash cams work, since all the responses I get about how he's not close to me at all. He's actually way closer than what you're seeing right here in the video. His dash cams are wide angle. They show vehicles to be a lot further than they are. So he's about a half a car behind me right now, even though it looks like one car. And then he is damn near a foot off my bumper when he gets at his closest point. So, yeah, educate yourself before you make comments like that. So low rent gets around me, and look to the left. There he is, and all his glory gets stuck behind traffic. And you would think, hey, he's an emergency. Well, that excuse goes out the door too. So now he cuts another guy off and starts riding behind this poor guy in this little truck who has traffic in front of him, can't go anywhere, and he starts tailgating him. Mr. Handyman. So now Mr. Handyman is going about flashing this poor guy in front of him, and he can't get over because of the guy behind him. I can't go any faster just because of the water, and this goes on for a while behind us and now here. Who wants this kind of guy with this temperament to be a handyman at their house? God knows what he'll do to your house and your things if he's like this in public. So after all of that, word of mouth princess handyman made it nowhere. How funny is that? Here she is sitting on the side of the road in a turn lane,